So, I know it's been a minute, but y'all want to know the story about how Tyler pulled up to the crib, huh? As you can see through the title of this video, Tyler the creator showed up to my house party. Make sure y'all wait to the very end to see how the fuck this happened. Give this shit a thumbs up, comment down below your favorite parts throughout watching the video. I gotta get going though, so let's head the fuck out. So it started out, I was not really fucking with LA, and I moved, I took literally everything in my bag and went all the way back home to the Bay. I had a conversation with Xavier, and he basically told me, yo man, just give it another fucking week. Let's throw an event, let's throw a barbecue, let's do something, man, let's get it off your mind, and just give it another week. Give it another week. Something's gonna happen. They said the energy was gonna work out and it was just gonna play in my favor. And to LA one more time and to just wait a week because some shit might happen. And little did I know this was gonna be like the most important week of me being in LA at all. So I came back to LA and lo and behold, Tyler's album rollout started. Little do I know, as soon as I get home, I get a notification from the golfing reporters that it's about that fucking time and Tyler's gonna put out another album. And I knew right away, okay, do I want to listen to this alone in my car, or do I want to have a listening party with some friends? So we did a poll on Instagram and fucking the listening party won, so we decided to throw a party at the crib. Friends who hadn't seen each other in years were all going over to see this fucking event unfold. Motherfuckers thought Tyler was throwing this event. This was a golf event. This was my apartment complex. Golfing reporters posted that shit and we were fucking scrambling, so we had to put together a plan to see how the fuck we could pull this rager together in a few days. We got together a menu for food items, a raffle, and a ton of different shit so people could enjoy their night, and figuring out like who can make food, or how can we do a raffle, or what people can we get to show up, blah blah blah. But Tyler was definitely not one of those fucking people, and we turned my shitty apartment complex into a fucking rager. So we had to put together a fucking rager in 3 days and just make shit happen.
Where'd you come from?
Came from Inglewood, bro. All the way from
Inglewood.
We out here, baby.
Where you from, man?
Colorado.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm from Colorado.
Inglewood, mad respect. How'd you get here, bro? You gotta tell us the story.
I get around my bike, always.
Mad respect. Mad respect. Mad respect.
Colorado. Hey, yo, this nigga came from Colorado. What the fuck? Bartender right here.
These motherfuckers really a bar out here. They charge like $3 a shot. We're here tonight. We got a Tyler release party. We got to get everybody interviewed. We got to see how people are feeling. We got to see how people are feeling good. If they're feeling good, if they're not, then see what happens. We on. Alright, you ready? Do you have a brother named Tanner?
Good idea.
You look like my friend named Tanner.
10 minutes till the new album.
Tell me a little bit about your experience here in California.
I love California, bro.
Tell me how you feel.
I'm feeling pretty good.
See that? That's love.
Look,
I'm in love.
This shit was put together really last minute, so I want to thank all my friends that helped me put it together with the food, with the security, with the drinks, with everything. We are setting up the album right now. Everyone's just going to Tyler's shit, so it's crashing. So we're gonna do it off the phone, so we can also go in the mosh pit.
Yes, sir.
Tyler's here, Tyler's here. Yo, camera, Tyler's here. Go, 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 go.
I be talking that fresh shit, I don't need gum. Cookie crumbs in the rolls, never know weed crumbs. He ain't talked to his bitch in 3 days, it ain't gotta be this way. I'm down for the threesome. I might buy a boat. Depends if Capri got space, don't really need one. I could go in the winter time, baby, I bleed sun. Find another nigga like me, cause I ain't seen none. Pull up in that, whatchamacallit. Played a couple demos at Madison Square Garden. And tell them motherfuckers that Sony I'm not calling. I'm plotting on a Billy Chili in my car. Yo.
What's up, nigga?
I think you need to load that second clip. French Waltz, she said she like the voice, and I'm like, which one? I got two, hun. Look. Catch me at my other crib, that's my AKA. Her
Alright, Tyler. I love you. Alright.
Thank you for coming, man. I appreciate it.
Alright, Tyler. Yeah.
Alright, y'all be safe.
Yeah, see ya. See ya.
Tyler just pulled up to our shit just now. I'm fucking stoked. Like, that's the best turnout we could have ever fucking had.
Hey, Tate and Jamie, by the homies, by the homies.
Rose boys, motherfucking Rose